Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday urged world leaders to turn the global trust deficit into confidence in each other and find new solutions to age-old challenges. In his opening remarks at the two-day G20 Leaders Summit, Modi exuded confidence and said if the world could defeat COVID, it could also triumph over the trust deficit caused by war. It is time for all of us to work together for global good, Modi said while addressing the One Earth session of the G20 Leaders Summit, attended by US President Joe Biden, Saudi Arabia Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, among others.
विश्व में एक बहुत बड़ा संकट विश्वास के अभाव का आया है। युद्ध ने इस ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट को और गहरा किया है। जब हम कोविड को हरा सकते हैं तो हम आपसी विश्वास पर आए इस संकट पर भी विजय प्राप्त कर सकते हैं।
The African Union became a permanent member of the G20